So first thing, act as a copywriter. I like to use these types of expressions. Hey, amazing copywriter. So I'm starting with good energy, and I'm also telling it how to behave. I want to promote my next set of events on Facebook. Be specific. What is my business? It's a lunch bar called the Lime Slice, where in Margate, UK. And again, don't forget you're talking to a machine that understands human language. That's how they are built. And we can make mistakes on the way and have a relaxed chat as well with them. No worries, we don't have to write as a machine or to speak as a machine. Okay, so again, I'm specifying the type of framework I want to use, the PAS. It doesn't mean that it's going to be ideally the best one for this type of event. Maybe for an event, I would use the IDA, attention, interest, desire, and action. But let's just use this as an example. And based on this type of audience, business, and events, write a post for Facebook so we can tweak it if necessary. Also add 5 hashtags. 3 common, 2 less common. Let's see how this goes. All right, so we have an example of the post that we are going to share on Facebook. That's the text content for the post. Let's now create the content we need, the data we need, so that we can create the Canva slides accordingly. Now let's have a table as output, please. From now on, make sure we have the headers, problem, agitation, solution, post content, and event date, so we can easily navigate within our spreadsheet. Then I'm telling it repeat the process for every single event, again, every Friday and Saturday of July and August 2024. What can happen? It can eventually create generic content for every event, and we want some variety, so I'm going to make sure I specify this as well. All right, let's go. Okay, when this happens, no worries. They are just trying to get some feedback from you. They usually show you 2 responses, and you choose the one that fits you best, so that they know they can teach the AI ChatGPT how to behave. So if you ever see these options, response 1 and 2, it's just them trying to tweak their own model. Woo, there we go. So response 1 is already generating. Let's see how it goes with response 2, generating a table as we want. So let's see how it goes. We have two lines. We'll tweak this in a second. Let's just let it finish. Okay, I'm going to choose response 2 because I have more options. Okay, so we got 4. That means that it might be limited to the number of posts that it can create at once, so we can create 4. Let's stick to this 4. Let's just check the quality of the content. It's easier, at least for me, to just copy and paste and go straight into a spreadsheet and go from there. So I literally copy the content, I open a spreadsheet, I got a spreadsheet, and I literally just paste the content. Select the row and then click here on create a filter. It will help you filter and reorder the table at any time if you need. Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep generating content for the rest of the month. And again, if he likes to work 4 events at a time, I'm going then to complete 19, 20, 26, 27. I'm going to say great. Same for July 19, 20, 26, and 27. As simple. So again, just copy, paste, got another set of posts, make sure they are different. Okay, let's continue. So right now we have up to the 27th of July. I think we have enough content. So let's pretend I'm working just for July. I'll do the same then for August. So this is the content we got from ChatGPT as a reference. Again, don't rely 100% on ChatGPT. Go over the entire content and make sure you add your own voice, your own brand voice and values in it if you need, and also add as much information as you like. So for example, here, I would like to insert doesn't really matter left or right, but I can, for each event, for example, have special guests, right? So for each event, I want to mention the name or the bands of the special events I'm going to have there. I'm thinking right now, I'm building this project. I have the Lime Slice. I don't have it yet. I will have it. I want to find the best guests. What can we do? Well, ask GPT.